Hey guys, welcome back to Thread and Glue Designs. I wanted to take a minute and open a package from Miss Margaret Hernandez. I got a Happy Meal, y'all. How cool is that? I'm so excited. So let's just open it up. Thank you so much, Margaret. This was such a great surprise. Let me see. Oh, there we go. I think I got it cut. Oh, that's interesting. Never had the tape do that. Okay, now we cut here. I think I cut it. Yeah. Oh, cat pad orange. Oh, that's so cute. I love it. That's so cute. A notepad. That's awesome. I don't know if you guys can even see that. Let me lift y'all up and I will show you. There you go. It's so cute. Thank you so much. Black and gold sari silk. Oh my gosh, I love it. I don't have any sari silk. Oh my word. This is like, oh, huge. Art Zia fashion. Huh. Wow, that is gorgeous. Oh my. Oh, there's so much of it. Oh, it's so pretty. Wow, there is a ton of this here. There's like yards. Oh, it's so pretty. Thank you so much, Margaret. I didn't have any sari silk. Wow, it's beautiful. Thank you so much. It's so wonderful. I feel like I should be petting it. Put my kitty cat on there like I pet the kitty cat too. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you so, so much. I can't tell you how much that means. Thank you. All right, you guys, I will see y'all later on tonight in a live. Thanks so much. See y'all later. Bye.